guys, I want to show you how to connect this speaker to your laptops. You switch this speaker on from this button here, then select Bluetooth. Pairing. It will tell you pairing. Now the next thing you need to do is go to your laptop settings and switch Bluetooth on. Bluetooth is on, then select add a device, select Bluetooth. It will start to search for available Bluetooth. ULT Field 7 is available. Select on it. It's connected. Then you select done. I'm going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is music for content creator. This is Epidemic Sound. So go to save the music. Then you need to select ULT. We have ULT 1 and ULT 2. Let me take you under when nobody can see. I just wanna dance, dance, dance with you. Harder than a summer, so put your hands on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. This speaker now is connected with these two gadgets. This is beautiful. This speaker now is connected with the mobile phone and also with computer. And if you want to control, go to the settings, then select the sound. Select the sound. This is ULT 2. If you want it ULT 1, then you select ULT 1. This is ULT 1. ULT 2. So you can select pause and play. From these settings, you can select settings, then go to illumination for you to change the lighting. So you can see here, this lighting is rave. So you can select chill. The light change to chill. You can also select strobe. You can see the light strobe. Then select again. This is hot. This is cool. Cute. Fresh. Calm daylight. Delightful. Rave. So you can select particular light. You select it from illumination. So from the setting, you can do so many things. You can select the sound. From the sound, you select ULT 2, which is sound effect, or ULT 1, or you can switch it off, or you can also custom sound field optimization. You can also select it, automatically dictate the noise around the sound speaker and automatically adjust the sound to an optimal quality. So you select sound field optimization. You also have DJ effect and Bluetooth connection quality. So you select all these or control it from the settings. This is beautiful speaker that deserves your attention. You can also select again. You can also control the light from here as well. So you can control the light from the back as well. You can control the light from here as well. This is beautiful. You can play music from the laptop, then switch over from your mobile device, the music you have on your mobile device.
I can't just leave you in the tides are turning. I cherish every second with you. I've got to hold on to your heart every day of the week, every week of the year. I've got to rewind and restart till you get what you need, till you get all of me. Yeah, you get all of me, baby, I give you all of me. Please say what you want from me.
It's beautiful, beautiful stuff. The good thing about it is your mate can have a music. You can connect several gadgets here. You can connect several Bluetooth devices with this speaker, and your mate can play music. The person he or she got on his phone, and another person can also play the music he or she got on the phone. So you can connect several devices. This gadget is connected to this phone as well as this laptop. So any particular music you want to play, for instance, then you go to the laptop and connect it.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, have me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it right, I'll do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything's on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything's on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what, told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me, it's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I'ma cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car, take it tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You wanna climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro. Circle to the my home, can't get me out of my zone. Go hard, go home, go hard, go hard. championship rings on my hands now. In my head, I'm top 10, yeah, that's hands down. In the squad, know you're looking man down. Funny how foes turn to friends now. Drive a race car like a Atari now. I'm filling up, I need product again. Treat a bit. In my soul, in my soul, in my soul, in my soul. I could sing
Beautiful. Thank you very much and stay blessed. Beautiful.